guys, happy Wednesday. So I am kicking off this video in Walmart, and imagine my surprise when I was in Walmart getting some essential items that I happened to come across all these dollar shoes. Now guys, I had to break this video up into 3 parts. So this is going to be the first part, and then I'll have a second part that's going to have like some other things that I found, and then the third and finale, or the trilogy, is going to be the actual haul. Because a lot of people say, why don't you buy anything? Why don't you buy anything? I do buy, guys, but it has to be at a reasonable cost for me to buy, okay? Because consumerism is real, and not only is it real, but if I spend too much, then you're going to be like, well, what do you do with all the stuff that you buy? So you know what? You can't win or you can't lose. You know what I mean? You just got to do what you do. Nonetheless, they do have these shoes that are $1. And guys, these shoes range from all types of different shoes, from toddler shoes to athletic shoes to house shoes. Now, I know you just seen that ticket that says $9. Find you a store representative, a clerk, a manager, because they are all supposed to be $1. So that's exactly what I did. I went and took them to the actual scanner, but the scanner was still ringing them up for $9. However, when I spoke with the department manager, she scanned and was like, hey, these are week 6 and they are supposed to be marked down for $1, and she would send someone back there to do them for $1. However, I did grab a few pairs of shoes. I'm not going to show you which ones I bought. I purchased into the haul, but I did think that these were actually nice. It's just something about the subtle leopard print. It's just doing it all for me, especially with like a red lip or a nice slip dress. Like, guys, I love a good pair of clean gym shoes, tennis shoes. It just depends on your age on which one you go by, okay? So let me know. And I also thought these were nice as well. Now, when it comes to like the athletic shoes, I will tell you this, you'll probably break your ankle dealing with Walmart shoes. Like, they don't have the hops or the stretch or really the agility to me that you need. However, if you want to put on a cute outfit and post it for Instagram or Facebook, or you're walking through the airport, or you want to walk on your lunch break, perfect. Bingo. And for $1, guys, you cannot beat that. Okay, sign me up. Yes. And now these are some men's shoes, which these will be perfect for spring and summer. And so you can get them there. Like I said, they say $7, but in my store, they were $1. Okay. Now, I know I should have shown you guys the barcodes, but you know what? You're not getting out and going anywhere anyway right now, right? So since you're not, you can actually see exactly what's going on. And I'm sure they may or may not be available. But you know what? We're going to send good vibes. They're going to be available when all this is over with. So I'm just going through and seeing they have toddler shoes. Not only did they have the toddler shoes in the back, they had some of your boots, and they also had like your women's boots. They also had a lot of, what are those? The shoes, like if you work in fast food, the slip resistant shoes, that's what they're called. So they did have slip resistant shoes for as low as $5. And I think those were not supposed to be marked down to $1. So this is just a rack that they had. Now I went over to kids because I know a lot of you have kids. And on here, they still had this winter stuff. Like, at this point, guys, donate it, give it away, do something, get it out the store, okay? Even though it was 50 cents and $1, it just doesn't get that cold here. That's why it's still here. Now, I'm sure people purchase it, send it up north to their family, but yeah. And then we all know, RIP to the toilet tissue, OMG. Like, come on, guys, why is there still no toilet paper? Luckily, I'm okay, but I know other people need it. So you know what? If you're still in need of toilet paper, they do have where Amazon, if the price isn't jacked up, but they also have like Dollar Tree, and a few friends that I know were posting that Big Lots have as well. And Big Lots is doing curbside to go. So I don't know what state you're in. My state, Big Lots is open. Hobby Lobby is open. Tuesday morning is open. A lot of places are open. It's not to brag. I'm just stating the facts. People, calm down. Calm down. That is the facts. It's open, okay? So whether it should be open, whether that's spreading the virus, that is none of my business. These people are open. And so I'm just stating that, okay? So moving along on the kids section, I thought these were some cute overalls, the little denim overalls with shorts. They already are bringing out your spring and summer items. And then if we move a little bit further, you're going to see where they have the boys, not only pajama sets, but they also have like your swim trunks and your swimsuits, and just, I call this like your, you know what, like your play outside gear, because to me, like, I think it's called like the Geranimals, or I don't know what it's called, but I will show you, it is $3.88, and I think with those shirts and the little pants that you can get, I think they are perfect to play outside, maybe even take a cute little school picture in, because, you know, they have like these cute little sayings on them, one in a melon. You get what I'm saying? Like, for $3.84, you can't beat that, or 88 cents, excuse me. But mom's little dude, come on, like, you can take this, they can play in it all summer. It's not really like that staple item that they're probably going to need for the school year. And I don't know, what do I know? Let me know. But I thought that the sharks and the shorts that match together, so like, yo, you can get a full outfit here for less than $8. Not bad at all, especially if they're going to play outside, which, let me know, are your kids still playing outside, or are you guys like just strictly in the house, period, point blank? Because I know like some of the children in my neighborhood, they're outside, they're riding bikes, they are having a blast. This is like an early summer for them. So definitely let me know. And then they also had here just some kids' toys as well that were not marked down at all. So then here we go, guys. We are getting into the money. Okay, these were $1. So it's not like last time where I showed you the ugly sweaters. This dollar rack, OMG. They had where not only did they have denim button-ups, but they had a lot of athletic wear, and I was here for every last piece of it. If you have never purchased Walmart's athletic wear or their active wear, when I tell you, it is absolutely amazing. Like, my two favorite is going to be Walmart and Old Navy. Seriously, like, hands down. I know about Nike and Under Armour. Let me know. Let's debate. Let's debate in the comments. Which one do you like more? But I am going for Old Navy and Walmart, and I pick Walmart over Old Navy because, to me, Old Navy, you have to catch it on the deal. Walmart, everyday low prices, right? The rollback special. So you can see all of this is $1. Now, these were like pajama pants, but since we're in the house, you know what? This is great work at home gear, great lay around gear. And not only that, I'm just going through, look, more items, $1 holler. Like, you just can't beat it. So did I rack up my cart this time? Absolutely. I loaded my cart. This is my price. Not only is it my price point, this is something that I need. And I like to work out. So, and I might do a video on that. Like, guys, if you want to see a video on how I'm staying active, you know what? I'm just going to do it. So I'm going to send that video, but you can see I just put those over there to the side because they have the black and white stripe, kind of reminiscent of the Adidas Run DMC era. Okay, who's in that era? Say, girl, me. Okay, that's not my era, but I like the whole Adidas vibe. Okay, so I'm just looking more dollar items. If you need things for work, if you need things for church, and you can see there's so many items. And so this jacket actually matches the pants that I just picked up. So look at that. You can get a full workout outfit for only $2. So I'm just looking at this. These are a small. Now, me and white just don't work out too well. I don't know. We'll go ahead and we'll debate. Now, guys, as my grandma would say, a closed mouth do not get fed, okay? So even though you see some of these items in here in the video, if they say $5, $7, go to the representatives and ask them, I like this bomber jacket. Yep, that is going to go. It may or may not make the list, but you see the dollar items. Now here, guys, this says $9. Absolutely $9. Now, with that being said, for them to be, all three of these were $9. And I went, they were actually scanning in my store. I said, hey, are these items still $9? Like, did you get to them? And so the lady said, did I miss a whole rack? I said, yeah, you kind of did. So she came back around and she scanned them. She was like, oh girl, these are supposed to be $1. I am so sorry. So all of these items, those first three were $1. I moved over as well, and I started looking at shirts and trying to see. Now, she did tell me I missed the mark on them. Child, look, I had to say child. Okay. She told me that I missed the mark on them, meaning like these are supposed to go down to $1 as well. but she could not mark everything because our store does not want any empty racks during the weekend. So even though she told me they will go ahead and eventually be $1, like they're going to mark down this week, a lot of the items were $1 as well, and that included the tops to match them. And she did mark down the tops because she could do that. She had more tops to replace them. And then, guys, the gift that just keeps on giving. You know what I mean? So here we go. We're at another dollar rack. Now, this dollar rack is going to be more for like your youth and teen girls. They have the high-waisted jeans. They have the ripped jeans. They have the shredded jeans. Girl, they got everything. Bubba. Okay, we just need Bubba. What type of jeans we have? We have high-waisted, low-waisted, flare, you know, whatever you need, they have. Okay, so, and these jeans were $1 as well. So you can see these are a crop pair. Now, sometimes in the youth, you can find like these were, I think, a size 19. Don't know how they really translate or fit when it comes to like an adult. I guess maybe like a 16 or a 15. Not quite sure, but they did have even a 19. And so this is like, your Walmart brand. And once again, over here, we come across some more workout pants, and you can see they were $1. So a lot of the workout items, guys, were already marked down $1. So you cannot beat that. Great haul. Definitely did not like this shirt, the whole tie-dye vibe. I'm going to go ahead and pass on that one. But when I tell you anything from bomber jackets to workout pants, lounge pants, they even had underwear, they had socks, they had a lot of different items. So like I said, in this video, I'm just showing you like some of the items that they had. The next video is definitely going to be loaded with more items. So I just wanted to break it up into two parts because I didn't think y'all want to see a 30-minute video. Like, I just did not think y'all wanted to see that. All right. So on here, they did have some purses and handbags and book bags. These were still ringing at $5, which I've seen in other people's videos. They have been marked down a lot lower. So I'm sure, I anticipate probably this week these will go down because remember, like I said, they could not leave any empty racks on the weekend. And so, people are going to be in there shopping. That was just my store policy. Don't know about your store. All these were $2. So the little fanny packs that you can wrap around. I'm not feeling the whole gold member one, but the black one with the studs absolutely would be something that I would wear. And $2, guys, let me tell you, this is what you do. You get the fanny pack, you go buy like some gift cards, and you put the gift cards in there and you give it to someone as a gift. And so pretty much it looks like you did a lot, but you really didn't do that much. And then you only spent $2 for it. Get a nice little bag. So, not bad at all. So these are some underwear, and it looks like they just pulled those out the pack. They were 50 cents. And then we're going around here, some more dollar underwear on one side, dollar socks, and they just pulled the socks and just threw them. So you see like the guac. You also have like the taco ones, all these. Now, I've seen these at other stores for only 75 cents. So it just depends. Your store may have a markdown 75, 50 cents. At my store, they were $1 and they weren't trying to go lower. And I'm okay with that. Dollar price, I can work with that. That's in my budget. Just don't need any socks, okay? So then moving along, they had some neon hoodies as well as sweatpants, and those were $3. It was a little bit too bright for me, okay? So I think it's just, I'm feeling the neon vibe. Yeah, I think I'm young enough to wear it and still get away with it, but the volume was just a little bit loud for me. So I'm going to leave that there. And then when it comes to the home section, they also had like some of your laundry hampers as well as like your organization. Different items was as low as $3. And this is the over the pocket organizers. They also had different buckets, and you can see that they're getting ready for 4th of July, spring. And then this was just so random. I don't know if it was on sale. I didn't even want to find out, but it was just super random. And then more buckets, and these are things I guess that you can take to the beach when we do get to go to the beach. And then these were $3 as well, little storage containers. Or if you're at home and you're doing that spring cleaning, let me know. Are you doing spring cleaning? Put them in some organized buckets and different items. So these are also some plush items, and these were $3. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging in. But you know what? You got to come back, right? Because you want to see what's in the next few videos. So please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.